Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You open Google Opinion Rewards and sign in with the exact Google account you use for Bgmi purchases. This ensures earnings land in the correct play balance. Once done, enable location and notifications so surveys arrive more often. Many are location triggered. Make sure your Play Store payment profile is set up and verified. You don't need a card to collect balance, but verification speeds purchases. You answer each short survey promptly and honestly. Quick responses raise your completion rate and keep surveys coming. Once you earn credits, check the Google Play balance in the Play Store. Those funds are what you'll use for Bgmi. After accumulating enough, make sure the balance is fully updated and visible. Sometimes it takes minutes to appear. If you plan a UC purchase, calculate the exact amount required and save. Until you have that sum, you open Bgmi, go to the in-game store, and select the UC pack you want. When prompted, choose Google Play as the payment method so your Opinion Rewards balance is used. Confirm the purchase and watch for the transaction confirmation. UC should appear quickly. If the purchase fails, clear Google Play Store cache and data, sign out and back into your Google account, then retry. If funds still don't apply, check payment profile country, matches Bgmi region, before contacting support.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.